What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. I thought we should talk about Nio today because Nio has a big day coming up in about a week and a half, so I thought we should brief on that. But before we start this video, though, if you guys could like and subscribe, that would mean a ton. Only about 7.5% of people who watch these videos are actually subscribed. It would mean a ton to me if you click that subscribe button. And also, we have a free Discord and link in the description below. If you want to join and talk with me for free, come on in and we can talk about stocks and all that good stuff like that. But anyways, guys, let's just jump right into this. Nio stock is on an absolute tear, up another 1.9% today. This stock is up 12% this week and up 22% in the past month and 43% in the past 3 months. Not to mention it's somewhat impressive 622% gain in the past year. The stock's trading over $50 after the company announced that they're going to be having Nio Day coming up very soon on July 9th. Now, they want to be talking about a lot of different things when it comes to Nio, mainly their battery. Right now, Nio offers a 7 kilowatt Power Home 2.0 and a 29 kilowatt Power Home Plus. So Nio, what makes Nio very unique from other EV companies, it is a battery swap. So when you go in and pull into Nio, instead of charging up your car or something, you actually swap the battery out, which is very, very interesting. And has just completed its 2 millionth Nio Power swap, which is very cool. And they have 267 stations and 186 power stations. So very cool and very unique what Nio does. And it's one thing that separates Nio from competitors like Tesla. That Tesla's also been on a massive run this past month, up 10% in the past month. Still down for the 6th month because it is still down about 23% from its highs, while Nio is climbing back, trying to get up there. But if we actually look at Nio's fundamentals, this could be a very good stock to own long term. It's got an $82 billion market cap. Its high is about 67 exactly. Its low is 671. So obviously it's on the higher side. But this company has done tremendous things to build back up to where they are. And one of those things is its revenue. It's been bringing in a lot of revenue recently. Huge year-over-year growth, 481%. Now, this, be warned, this is not U.S. dollars. This is Chinese currency. So just understand that before you see like, holy crap, 7.98 billion in 1 quarter. No, it's Chinese currency because it is a Chinese company. It's an ADR. And that essentially means that you're buying an offshore account. It's the same thing with BABA. You're not actually owning shares of Nio itself. You're owning shares of a offshore holding company that basically mirrors the stock in Hong Kong or in China in this case. So yeah, pretty interesting stuff with Nio. The question is, do you buy here going into Battery Day, or not Battery Day? That was what happened last time, Battery Day. But this is a different type of day. This is their Power Day. So the question is, do you buy going into that? And one of the things to look at is the options, because obviously implied volatility is going to be huge that week. So if we go up to the 9th and we look at some of these calls, the implied volatility is very high right now, about 66% for these calls. Now normally if you go to like July 23rd, these calls are going to be a little bit less at about 62%. So right now they are a little higher, and obviously the farther you go out, the less implied volatility these tend to have. But right now Nio is in one of those spots right now where it's becoming more of a reliable company and less of a spec company. Thus the implied volatility is going down a little bit for Nio. So one of the things I recommend is selling options. You guys know I love that. And if you're bullish on Nio, I would definitely sell a put on it. Buying a call could be a little risky because it could be a sell the news type of event, or it could just be stagnant. It's already baked in. We've seen that many times before where the Tesla Battery Day, like it ran up huge before, and then the day it came out, Tesla crashed hard. Because there was so much hype on it, and then when they fail to deliver, or they just deliver exactly what people have already thought and bought for, the stock tends to get hit. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with Nio. I'm definitely going to be keeping it on my list. I'm very upset I was not able to pick this stock up, a couple months ago when it was down big. I mean, $31 a share, that's just absolutely free money. You're already up over 57% from buying at that dip. So congrats to those longs who got in then. But, this is a company that it's here to stay. It's without a doubt here to stay. It's a giant, giant company in China. It's got an $82 billion market cap, which puts it significantly less than Tesla. And they're going to continue to grow. And we can see their cars expanding into places like Europe as well, which will be huge for them. So one more thing that I wanted to talk about with Nio is how much you can actually get if you sell these options. So one option is if you already own shares, I'd recommend selling a covered call for that week at like a 54, 55 strike price and collect some good premium. I mean, you're putting up, not a ton of money to make a pretty good amount of money. I mean, $1 per for something that's only $54. So you're putting up 5,000, make 1,000. That's a really good return, especially since the stock would have to go up huge for it to go there. I mean, it went up 2% today, barely puts it up $1. So you're looking at an 8%. It would have to go up higher for you to be exercised on those options. So selling a covered call is obviously a great idea if you have shares. And then obviously they're selling a put on it as well. The puts were down today some, but if you're very bullish on this and you want to sell a 48 strike, you think, okay, even if it goes down to 48, I'm fine with buying it at that. You can always do that. So that's always an option as well. But it's something to be said. So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on all of this, because obviously the premium is there. 48 strike price, you're getting $113 to sell that, and your break-even price is $46.87. So that's obviously very, very good. But these are just a couple ways that you are able to play Nio, especially for this event coming up, because there's a lot of hype, which means there's a lot of implied volatility, which means there's a lot of premium to be made on Nio. So watch it very carefully and play it wise. Obviously, you can go ahead and buy calls and stuff like that if you think something big is going to be announced and it's not already factored in. Or, you can sell covered calls and get a lot of premium. If you want to be very bullish as well, you can sell puts against it and collect some premium on that. But yeah, that's one of the things I recommend. Obviously, spreads are pretty good. Some credit spreads or put credit spreads, always a good idea as well. But anyways, guys, I am curious to hear what you guys think about Nio, because a lot of the other XPEVs and EV companies have just been flying recently. XPEG's up like 6% this week. It's up 32% the past month. I am so mad I had to dump this stock, towards the lows at about 29. Like right about here, I had to dump this stock, which hurt badly because I had to get into more Apple. But overall, it's an amazing time, amazing sector, the EV sector, and it's about playing it smart and playing it how you can profit the most from it. So, anyways, guys, I love to hear from you guys. Let me know your thoughts on all of this. I will see you guys in the next video. Come chat with me in the Discord. Again, it's free. And we call out some plays in there for you guys for free every once in a while. And a lot of market talk and conversations about stuff like Nio. We have a couple big Nio holders in the group. So go ahead, talk with these guys, talk with all of us. And again, remember to like and subscribe. Subscribing means a ton to me because it just helps out a lot and shows that you guys are appreciating some of these videos. So anyways, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day. See you in the next video. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.